Today we're taking a closer look at the 2026 Kawasaki Ninja 650, and the big question is it still worth buying? So, first impressions. The Ninja 650 still has that clean, aggressive sport bike look without being too extreme. It's actually one of those bikes that works just as well for beginners as it does for riders stepping up from smaller machines. Power-wise, you're getting a 649cc parallel twin engine. It's smooth, predictable, and honestly pretty forgiving. It's not going to blow your mind like a supersport, but that's not the point. It's more about real-world usability, city riding, highway cruising, even weekend fun. Comfort is another big win here. The riding position is more relaxed than a full sport bike, and the seat is actually decent for longer rides. Suspension is okay, nothing fancy, but it handles daily roads without drama. Now, tech-wise, you get a TFT display, smartphone connectivity, and dual-channel ABS, which keeps it modern enough for 2026 standards. So, is it worth it? If you want a reliable, stylish, and easy-to-live-with sport bike without going over the top on price or power, yeah, the Ninja 650 still makes a lot of sense.